Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is a recruitment notification from GOA Shipyard Ltd dear students. To see this notification, you have to go for goashipyard.in/notice-board/career/advertisement. So if you go there, so here you can see the notification advertisement number 02/2026 stage 1 for trainee project executive on contract basis. So dated 2nd February 2026 dear students. So if you click on this, a PDF document will open and here you can see trainee project executive on contract basis. So here trainee project executives on contract basis for 2 years, further extendable up to 1 year. That is what he has given here. So coming to the vacancies and discipline, trainee project executive mechanical 10 vacancies are there. So mechanical 10 vacancies are there dear students, and breakup of this vacancies is given. Full-time BE, BTech, BSc engineering 4 years in mechanical from a recognized university or institute is required. Then trainee project executive electrical 8 vacancies are there. Breakup of the vacancies is given here. So full-time regular BE, BTech, BSc engineering 4 years in electrical from a recognized university or institute. Then trainee project executive electronics 5 vacancies are given here. So breakup of the vacancies is there. So full-time regular BE, BTech, BSc engineering 4 years in electronics from a recognized university or institute is required here. Then trainee project executive computer or IT 2 vacancies are there dear students. Full-time regular BE, BTech, BSc engineering 4 years in computer or IT from a recognized university or institute. So here upper age limit as on 31st/12/2025. So unreserved or EWS categories 28 is the age limit. OBC 31, SC/ST 33 years dear students. Age relaxation for PWBD as per GOI Government of India guidelines is given here. In the first year 35,000 you are going to get, and in the second year 38,000, and in the third year 40,000, that is during the extended tenure. That is what he has given here. Now, so posts from serial number 1 to 4 are purely on contract basis, initially for a period of 2 years. It may be further extended for maximum up to 1 year depending upon the requirement of the organization and the performance of the individual. That is what he has given. So note 2, 70% of consolidated pay will be considered as basic pay for calculation of statutory benefits as applicable like PF, gratuity, etc. Then educational qualification, lateral entry to 3rd semester of 8 semester course, 2nd year of 4 years course will also be considered as equivalent qualification. So that means diploma students who have joined in the 2nd year or in the 3rd semester also are eligible. Grouping of disciplines in engineering degree, technical disciplines, mechanical or mechanical and industrial engineering, mechanical and production engineering, marine engineering. Then electrical or electrical and electronics, electrical and instrumentation, electronics and communication, applied electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation and control. So computer or IT, computer science, information technology, computer technology. So these people are eligible. So whoever have studied in these particular branches, they can apply for this particular post dear students. Postgraduate integrated degree courses will also be allowed for engineering disciplines in technical posts. The integrated professional technical qualification should be 5 years duration after 10+2 qualification. That is what he has given dear students. Then eligibility and experience. Those candidates whose names are sponsored by local employment exchange should possess minimum 1 year relevant experience or 1 year graduate apprenticeship training as on 31st/12/2025. So only post qualification experience will be considered, and reservation related information is given here dear students. Kindly go through this carefully. Then coming to the criteria of selection, the selection process will consist of written test, document verification, group discussion and interview. This is what he has given. So written test will normally consist of 25% general aptitude, 75% subject trade related questions. So candidates need to secure minimum 40% for general EWS category and 35% for SC, ST, PWD categories. So document verification, a category-wise list will be drawn of the candidates who qualify the written test. In case of large response, candidates in the ratio of 1:5 based on the performance in the written test shall be called for document verification, followed by group discussion or interview. So this is what is the information given here, dear students. So kindly go through that. So group discussion or interview, the candidates who clear the document verification round shall only be eligible for the group discussion or interview. So candidates need to secure minimum 40% marks for general EWS and 35% marks for SC, ST, PWD, OBC to qualify. So this is what he has given, dear students. Project executive written test 85% will be considered and group discussion or interview 15% will be considered, total 100%. So age criteria and relaxation, the upper age limit for eligibility against the post has been specified above. So already we have seen that. Then general conditions are given, dear students, like no traveling allowance will be paid for attending the selection process. So application fee is non-refundable. Therefore, candidates are requested to verify their eligibility thoroughly before making any payment. So that is what he has given here. So you go through this information very carefully. So before applying for this particular contractual base job, dear students. So here you can see corrigendum, if any, will be uploaded on our website only. Candidates are requested to check our website www.goashipyard.in regularly under the heading Notice Board Careers Advertisement. So call letters for selection process will be sent only through email to the shortlisted candidates registered email ID, which should be valid and operative. The candidates are requested to log in to their email ID and check regularly. That is what he has given. So information regarding names of eligible candidates, date of selection, names, roll number of selected candidates will be hosted on the website under the heading Notice Board Careers Advertisement. So here you can see for other notifications how they have given list of candidates called for computer based examination. Like this they will be displaying. So you can go through this carefully, dear students. So management will not be responsible for non-receipt of email and loss of email ID and password. So upper age limit and experience will be considered as on 31st/12/2025. In case of any query, candidates may contact this email ID, dear students, recruitment@goashipyard.com. Okay. So this is all the information that is given in the notification. So kindly go through this notification. So here the most important thing is the candidates are advised to make sure that they are meeting the eligibility requirements as per the vacancy notification for the post before submitting the applications. An application fee in the form of demand draft of ₹500 non-refundable in favor of GOA Shipyard Ltd payable at Vasco da Gama, Goa is to be submitted per application. Application without prescribed fee shall be liable for rejection. So SC, ST, PWD ex-servicemen candidates are exempted from payment of application fees as per Government of India rules. No fee is required to be paid for GSL graduate apprentice, GSL advanced trainees present or past. So the candidates applying for more than one post have to submit separate applications along with the prescribed application fee for each post. That is what he has given, dear students. Application fee is non-refundable. Therefore, candidates are requested to verify their eligibility thoroughly before paying the payment. So this is the information that is given, dear students. Kindly go through this information carefully. And there is a written test, document verification followed by group discussion or interview. So see this carefully and apply for this post, dear students. Okay. Thank you. All the very best.